Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical inverter, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Inverter, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best inverter from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cummins 5000 watts inverter modified sine wave truck inverter 12 volts to 110 volts. Looking for the best inverter to power your appliances on the road? The Cummins 5000 watt modified sine wave truck inverter is a powerful and reliable solution for turning 12 volt DC from your vehicle battery into 110 volt AC power. Perfect for running larger devices like microwaves, TVs, and power tools, this inverter features 4 AC outlets with protective covers, plus USB and fast-charging USB-C ports for mobile devices. With Bluetooth compatibility, control and monitor performance via the free app on your iOS or Android smartphone, check battery voltage, output, and temperature, and set up protections like undervoltage and overload remotely. Designed for off-grid power needs, RV travel, or professional trucking, this inverter delivers 5,000-watt continuous power with up to 10,000-watt surge capacity. The included 36-inch cable kit lets you connect directly to your battery and start powering your gear immediately. Officially licensed by Cummins, it's a rugged, versatile, and tech-forward inverter built for life on the move. Number 2. Jaxuk 4,000-watt pure sine wave power inverter 12-volt DC to 110-volt converter for family RV off-grid. Looking for the best inverter for your RV camping trips or off-grid setup? The JARXIOKE 4,000-watt pure sine wave power inverter delivers 4,000 watt of continuous power and 8,000 watt peak power, converting 12-volt DC to 110-volt AC with over 90% efficiency. Featuring advanced pure sine wave technology, it ensures stable, clean energy ideal for sensitive electronics. With a remote control range of up to 100 meters, it's easy to operate, whether you're at home or on the road. Safety is a top priority. This inverter includes multiple protections: overvoltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, overheating, and reverse polarity. Its durable aluminum alloy housing, soft start tech, and intelligent cooling fans extend its life and prevent overheating. You'll also get a full setup with cables, a remote, and a user manual backed by a 24-month warranty. Whether you're powering tools, appliances, or devices, the JARXIOKE inverter is a reliable and efficient solution for all your mobile or off-grid power needs. Number 3. Belttt 2,000-watt pure sine wave inverter car power inverter 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC converter for RV. The Belttt 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter is a powerful and efficient DC to AC converter designed for outdoor, RV, camping, and off-grid solar power needs. Delivering 2,000 watts continuous power and up to 4,000 watts peak surge power, it converts 12-volt DC to 110 or 120-volt AC with over 91% efficiency, ensuring reliable energy for your sensitive electronics like TVs, home theaters, and car stereos. This pure sine wave inverter produces a clean, stable power output that extends equipment life and reduces faults. It features an intelligent LCD display showing real-time input or output voltage, battery status, and load, making troubleshooting easy. Equipped with dual AC sockets, a 20-amp outlet, USB port, hardwire port, and a remote controller with a 23-foot cable, it offers versatile power options for your off-grid adventure. Multiple safety protections like undervoltage, overload, and short circuit guard your devices, all housed in durable aluminum and plastic for long-lasting use. Number 4. Renogy 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter, 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC converter for home, RV, truck. The Renogy 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter is a powerful and reliable solution for converting 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC. perfect for home, RV, truck, and outdoor use. Delivering 3,000-watt continuous power with a 6,000-watt peak surge, it features advanced pure sine wave technology for clean, stable power that protects sensitive electronics like laptops, tablets, TVs, and freezers. With over 90% conversion efficiency, this inverter minimizes energy loss while operating quietly with no buzzing. It includes multiple safety features such as undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, short-circuit protection, cooling fans, and GFCI to keep your devices and inverters safe. The inverter comes with 3 AC outlets, a 5-volt USB port, and a wired remote control for convenience. Certified by UL and CSA, its durable metal housing withstands bumps and impacts, while high-speed fans ensure efficient cooling. Ideal for travel, camping, emergencies, and off-grid power needs, the Renogy 3000-watt inverter is a versatile and trusted power source. Number 5. PowerDrive PWD 3000-watt Power Inverter with Bluetooth Technology. The PowerDrive PWD 3000-watt power inverter is a powerful and versatile solution for converting 12-volt DC from your vehicle battery into a reliable 110-volt AC power. Delivering 3,000 watts of continuous power, it's perfect for safely powering AC devices or charging smartphones, tablets, and other electronics. Equipped with 4 3-prong AC outlets, including a fast-charge USB-C port, this inverter meets all your power needs on the go. The standout feature is its Bluetooth wireless technology, enabling remote access and control through the free PowerDrive Plus app on your smartphone. The inverter includes a digital display to monitor battery voltage, power output, and error codes, and a removable LCD screen for convenient remote monitoring. With heavy-duty 39-inch cables, mounting brackets for quick installation, and an ultra-quiet, high-speed cooling fan, the PowerDrive inverter is designed for efficiency, safety, and convenience for all vehicle power needs. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.